Enhancing photos on your mobile device is rewarding, but so time-consuming. What if you could perfect your pictures with just one tap? With Perfectly Clear 4.0 for mobile, you can eliminate tedious editing time and focus on the fun of capturing priceless moments. Perfectly Clear isn't just another photo app, a filters library, or even an editing suite. It's an intelligent image correction app that creates pro-quality pictures in no time at all. And with next-gen advancements built into version 4.0, it's even faster, easier, and more fun to perfect your photos on the fly. Perfectly Clear counteracts your camera's limitations by applying 20 automatic corrections to your photos. There's no masking or complex adjustments. It simply highlights the beauty that was always there. Our powerful Beautify preset makes it easy to look your best. And the new user-friendly interface and workflow is so simple, anyone can correct photos instantly. Do away with the hours spent tweaking your smartphone photos and try Perfectly Clear 4.0 for mobile, for photos as vibrant as life itself.